Hello students, this is Usha Sharma. I will tell you about theme 13 Mahatma Gandhi and the National Movement. In this chapter, we learn about the contribution of Mahatma Gandhi in the national movement. In the history of nationalism, generally one individual is credited with the making of a nation. We can take example of a number of individuals like Garibaldi, associated with the unification of Italy, George Washington, associated with the American independence, and Ho Chi Minh with the freedom of Vietnam from the colonial rule. In the same way, Mahatma Gandhi is known as the father of the Indian nation. Gandhiji was the most influential and respected leader out of all the leaders who participated in the freedom struggle. That is why his characterization as father of the nation is not misplaced. Mahatma Gandhi's actual name was Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi, born on 2nd October 1869. His father Karamchand Gandhi was a barrister and his mother Putli Bai was a housewife. He was married to Kasturba. Gandhiji trained in law at the Inner Temple, London, and was called to the bar of age 22 in 1891. After 2 uncertain years in India, where he was unable to start a successful law practice, he moved in South Africa in 1893. Mahatma Gandhi returned to India in 1915 after 20 years from South Africa. Historian Chandran Devasan has rightly remarked that South Africa was the making of the Mahatma. It was in South Africa that Mahatma Gandhi adopted his technique of non-violence and satyagraha, promoted harmony between religions, alerted upper caste Indians for their discriminatory treatment of low caste and women. What were the differences in India that Gandhi left in 1893 and the India Gandhi returned to in 1915? India was quite different from the one which he had left in 1893. Although still a colony of the British, it was far more active in the political sense. The Indian National Congress now had branches in most major cities and towns. Do you know about the Indian National Congress? Indian National Congress was established by A.O. Hume, a retired British officer in Bombay, old name of Mumbai. Vimesh Chandra Banerjee of Calcutta was elected president and other leaders were Dadabhai Naoroji, Gopal Krishna Gokhale, Surendranath Banerjee, etc. In Surat session, Congress was divided in two parts, moderates 1885 to 1905. They believed in the policy of settlement of minor issues with the government by deliberations. Extremist 1905 to 1919. They believed in agitation, strikes and boycott. When Gandhiji entered in politics of Indian National Congress, this time is called Gandhi Age, 1919 to 1947. At that time, Swadeshi movement of 1905 and 1907, it had greatly broadened its appeal among the middle classes. That movement had thrown up some towering leaders, among them Bal Gangadhar Tilak of Maharashtra, Vipin Chandra Pal of Bengal and Lala Lajpat Rai of Punjab, known as Lal, Bal and Pal. While these leaders advocated militant opposition to colonial rule, there was a group of moderates who preferred a more gradual and persuasive approach. Among these moderates was Gopal Krishna Gokhale, who was the acknowledged political mentor of Gandhiji, and Muhammad Ali Jinnah. The first important public appearance of Gandhi. The first important public appearance of Gandhiji was at the opening of the Banaras Hindu University in February 1960. It was merely a statement of fact that Indian nationalism was an allied phenomena, a creation of lawyers, doctors and landlords. Gandhiji charged the Indian elite with a lack of concern for the laboring poor. Gandhiji chose to remind those present of the peasants and workers who constituted a majority of the Indian population yet were unrepresentative in the audience. The first public announcement of Gandhiji's own desire was to make Indian nationalism more properly representative of the Indian people as a whole. These are the Satyagraha launched by the Gandhiji, Champaran, Kheda and Ahmedabad, 1917 to 1918. First we read about the Champaran Satyagraha, first campaigns of Mahatma Gandhi. At the annual Congress held in Lucknow in December 1916, Mahatma Gandhi was approached by a peasant from Champaran, and he told Mahatma Gandhi about the harsh treatment the peasant received by the British. In 1917, Mahatma Gandhi organized a satyagraha in Champaran, seeking the security of tenure as well as the freedom to grow crops as per their wish. Other campaigns launched by Gandhiji in his home state. Firstly, he participated in the Ahmedabad textile mill strike of February-March 1918, demanding better working conditions for the textile mill workers. Secondly, he joined the peasant in Kheda Satyagraha, who demanded remission of taxes from the state following the failure of their harvest. It was in Kheda that Mahatma Gandhi initiated the first Satyagraha revolution. Thank you, class.